Hello and welcome to another one of my sword reviews. This time I got this blade here. It's from the Bunmei era in the Muromachi period, from about 1470 was the date this was made, so it's 550 years old. And this blade here is my comparison blade because this is the most similar reproduction I've got. Okay, then let's unsheath it. Okay. So, first of all, what you can see is a really distinct hammer line, and it's relatively light. It's balanced around here, but I could use this as a one-handed sword, no problem. It's a really light blade and thin. This is thinner than most katanas. Yeah. So then let's unsheath the comparison blade. Here the blade is thicker, a bit longer, but also much heavier. Like this is like about 300 to 400 grams heavier. Yeah, you can see the hammer isn't as distinct on reproduction because it's a modern steel that isn't meant for hammer lines, so it isn't as distinct. Let's put this aside. Oh yeah, maybe on thickness. You see the reproduction is 2 to 3 millimeters thicker than the original. Okay. It's a full sami rub all around with well, here 2 minukis and 1 pin. This one has 2 pins, but this is only held in place by 1. It's a Sue Bizen from the Bizen region, and it probably was used in battle. It doesn't have any edge damage, but it got at least some. It has some 2 points where it got hit or damaged on the back of the sword. Here you can see this is the biggest one. Yeah. Then let's look at the Nakago. Oh, it's hard to get out. Okay, now it doesn't go out as easily as the other one. But you can do this to kinda force it out. It doesn't want to. Hard to get out. So this is the blade. It doesn't have a name or a signature, but it has been dated, but unfortunately we don't know what the smith who made this actually was. And here this still has the original polish, or parts of the original polish, like you can see here, those stripes right here where it is different. Polisher would put these in as kind of a, not really signature, but yeah, so that you can tell that it has been originally polished. Yeah, it's a really beautiful blade, and you can also tell that it's an early version of a katana. Katanas first came up in the Muromachi period, and this was in the mid to late part of the Muromachi period, because it doesn't go straight down on the nakago. If I put it in, maybe more visible. Here is a slight edge, like here. This katana handle is straight and it goes straight into the blade. This one doesn't. Yeah. Then also, let's take a look at the certificate of authenticity. You can see also here is no signature on the tang or the nakago, but here are all the informations you need. Of course in Japanese, so I don't know what exactly is written on there, but I have a vague idea. Then the last piece, let me put this reference katana out of the way. Is the Oshigata. This will be kind of tricky to unroll because it's longer as the wakizashi I showed a few days ago. So it's more rolled in. Yeah. This is a problem. I tried to do it like this, roll it over the edge table. That seems to work. And now I'm carefully holding it up. Yeah, then pull this up a bit more. No, don't roll in, don't roll in. And as you can see, it's like the exact blade with all of its properties. Also thickness. Yeah. That's it with this video. I see you next time.